Hi everyone, my name is Manaswi Priya and I am from B.Tech AIML branch and my year of passed out is 2026 and I've joined Jspiders in April ending and I've continued my Java full stack course and my trainers are G. Pawan sir, Karishma ma'am, Nanda sir and Shweta ma'am for CSS, Java and SQL subjects and I've gained a great knowledge on Java and all these subjects in these few months and I've attended the mock tests and interviews the JSpiders provided for me and in one of the interview I got selected and the company is due. I got a role called AI Training Data Engineer with a package of 2.25 LPA and this is a good experience for me in this institute and in the company. So, thank you.